Hello, my name is Ardi and we are going to solve problem 6.14 from Sadiku book. So the question is, series connected 20 picofarad and 60 picofarad capacitors are placed in parallel with a series connected 30 picofarad and 70 picofarad capacitor. Determine the equivalent capacitance. Okay, maybe let's review the concept yet of parallel and series capacitor. If we have parallel capacitor, it is the opposite of resistor. So the total capacitance will be the sum of all of them. So C1 plus C2 plus C3 and then so on. But then if it is in series, we will have 1 over capacitance in series is equal to 1 over C1 and then plus 1 over C2 and then plus 1 over C3 and so on. Right? So with this in mind, let's solve this problem. But I think we need to draw the circuit first. So let's draw the circuit. We will have a series connected. So we will have 20 picofarad here. So let's label that 20 picofarad. And then we also have this 60 picofarad. Okay, this is the first sentence. And then it plays in parallel with series connected. So we have another branch here. And we will have this one here is 30 picofarad. And then that one here is 70 picofarad. Okay, now let's simplify the circuit first. First, we have this one and this one in series. So we will have this one first. So we will have 1 over CS is equal to 1 over 20 and then plus 1 over 60. Okay, we can do simple arithmetic by making the denominator as 60. So we multiply this by 3. So we'll have 3 over 60. And then plus 1 over 60. And so we will have 4 over 60. But remember that this is 1 over CS. So we need to flip it. So we will have CS is equal to 60 divided by 4. So that will be 15. The unit is picofarad. Picofarad. So that is the one that I highlighted yellow. But we also have another branch here that I highlighted gray that we need to calculate. We can just play the same game here, but yeah, I need to move things around so we have some space. Maybe let's move it a bit up here, and I will use another color. So we will have 1 over CS again here, and we will have 30 picofarad. So we will have 1 over 30 and then plus 1 over 70. And I think we can make the denominator 210. Yeah, so we will have 7 here. And then we will have, I think, 3 here. 3 over 210. Good. Now we will have 10 over 210. And then we will have CS here is 210 divided by 10. So we will have 21 picofarad. So we can simplify our circuit here by using this value here. So this will equivalent to, what is it? 15 picofarad. and then that will be in parallel here. Maybe just write it here, and that is 21 picofarad. But we need to calculate the total capacitance, so we will have, remember that we have in parallel now 15 and 21 in parallel, so we have the final C equivalent, that will be 15 picofarad and then plus 21 picofarad. Okay, let's calculate that. 5 plus 1 is 6, 1 plus 2 is 3. So we will have C equivalent is 36, and the unit is picofarad. And I think that is the final answer. So this is the equivalent capacitance. Let's put that in a box and highlight that so that we know that this is the final answer. Hopefully I did not make any calculation mistake in the process, but if I did, please let me know in the comments. I think that's all for this problem. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.